Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 17T Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. Alright, so first things first, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's completely up to you. However, if in the process you will decide that you'd like to back up the data, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi then. Alright, so we've got the internet connection, and now let's open the settings. Right here, let's scroll down and find the section additional settings. And here go to accounts and tap on accounts and sync. Here let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection again because it is required. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. And just a quick note that you can actually also do it using the Google section in the settings, but to be honest, I simply prefer this way. So it's up to you which one you will choose. So here let me quickly enter my email and tap on next. So right here we need to enter the password. So simply do it and tap on next. Here we need to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup, so I don't want to do it, so let me just pick don't turn on, sorry. Here let me skip everything. Of course you can enter your home address if you want to. Here again the backup, however this time it is connected with the photos and videos and other device data like contacts, call history, text messages, etc. So if you want to, just tap on turn on backup. I don't want to do it. And also if you will change your mind, I don't know, after a few days, you can check our tutorial of how to enable the Google backup in this device. So you can always do it if you want to. Alright, so we just go back to this accounts and sync section, and as you can see, we've got our Google account. So this is how to add it, and if you'd like to remove it, all you need to do is to tap on this Google section, tap on more, and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. However, be aware because I do not have any kind of screen lock. If you've got one, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. But no worries, it's normal. It's just for the security reasons. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.